Hello friends, today I will teach you how to create a macro using Excel VBA. VBA is a programming language that lets you automate tasks in Excel and other Microsoft Office applications. First, let us open a blank Excel sheet. Now let us go to File, Excel Options, Advanced, and select the Show Developer tab in the Ribbons checkbox and click OK. Once you click OK, you will see the Developer tab on your Excel menu. Let me tell you here that the Excel options might look slightly different depending on the version of Microsoft Excel you are using. Please check with Excel help in those cases. After you have added the Developer tab, please go to File, Excel Options once again, and go to Trust Center. Trust Center Settings. Macro Settings. Enable all macros and click on OK. To create a macro, we will have to select the Developer tab. Go to Insert. Select a button form control. Assign a name to the macro. Click on Record to record the macro. Provide a shortcut key if you want. I have kept this blank. Provide a description of the macro you are creating. And click on OK. We will now create a student table with name, diploma, subject, and GPA as the fields. Once the table is created and formatted, we will stop the recording by clicking on the Stop Recording button. We can also adjust the size of the button by single-clicking on the button or by selecting the design mode and clicking on the button. After the recording is stopped, we will check whether the macro is recorded or not. To check that, let us delete the table we have created and click on the button. We will find that the previous table is created automatically. If we want to see the code for the macro that we have created, we can just select the Visual Basic icon or press Alt plus F11 and find the backend code. If you check, you will find that the backend code is created in Module 1 and the submodule is Button 1. If you want, you can create your own code under the submodule Button 1. We will learn that in our later videos. So, please subscribe to our channel to get notified of such videos. Now, when you save the file on your computer, please make sure to save it as a macro-enabled workbook or .xlsm file. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.